So you pull your lips in like this, like you just took your dentures out. You press your lips down together, and then you breathe out with your mouth as hard as you can. I'm going to demonstrate. Go like that. Yeah, that's happiness and joy. So you'll do that again. Watch. So go like this. You pull your lips in. Are you judging her?
No, I'm judging you.
Okay, good. That's fine. That's good. Here's the crazy part. How many people here don't want to be judged by other people? Raise your hand. The real people that don't want to be judged are the ones that didn't raise their hand because they don't want to be judged. I wanted to be judged, so the judging wouldn't be judging the judging. And here's the thing. Here's the crazy part. There's people in this room that don't take action in their life because they don't want to be judged by their parents, their friends. Here's the crazy part. You're screwed. You're judged by everybody all the time, every second. There's people at your home right now judging you right now, and you don't even know it. Your kids judge you. Your parents judge you. Everybody's judging you all the time, in addition to her. Okay? Everybody's judging you. So my question is, why don't you do whatever the hell makes you happy and forget about everyone else? Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.